Today we're going to be checking out these new mower blades for the 42-inch cut. This particular one that I'm doing is a Troy-Bilt, but there's several applications. Nice and thick design. Paint seems to be nice and thick also. This is a company that I've been collaborating with on a couple of things, and yeah, I really like their product. I'll put the link to their site on Amazon in the description. Let's get this on that mower deck. Be sure to use jack and jack stands to properly lift your mower up. If you don't have an impact, you can use this method. Now with a 15/16 socket and breaker bar, you can properly take off the nut securing the blade. Now, as an extra step, what I do is I put a dab of anti-seize on the threads. Now put the blade on the opposite side of the block. Now we are ready to reassemble our new blade. Be sure to get it nice and tight. Now we are ready to lower the unit. Thank you very much for following along today. All the products in today's video will be in the description. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.